back to Whisk Away. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own garlic and onion powder. It's super easy and all you need is some garlic and onions. It doesn't take long and it's way better than store-bought, and you can use a variety of onions. You could do sweet onions, you could do purple onions, you could do the regular white onions, whatever you want to use. Get your stuff, let's get started. So we're going to start with 2 purple onions. You can use whatever onions you want. We're going to peel them and we're going to wash the peels, save them, and use them as well. And I'm going to be using my Mosfiata knife. I love this knife. One of my sons got this for me and I am hooked. I love their other knives as well. But it is a high quality German stainless steel that resists rust, corrosion, and discoloration. It has a beautiful laser etching on it too, and comes with a great sharpener, which I have used for my other knives and it works very well. So I'll link that in the comments below. And we're going to just cut the onions into very thin slices because we're going to be dehydrating these and we want them to dehydrate really well. And even though this is a very sharp knife, I am not a fast cutter, so don't judge me, but it does the job. It does it well. Look at how beautiful and thin those slices are. Now, if you want to move faster and you don't care how you chop your onions, you can use one of these. I'll be pickling some onions as well. So this goes really fast, and because I'm not a fast cutter, it works. And also because we're going to be dehydrating these, it works well. So we're going to put these on a cookie sheet with parchment paper. We're going to be baking these in the oven at about 250 degrees and just let them slowly dehydrate. Again, we're washing the onion peels and we're going to put them on the tray with the onions. And we're just going to go ahead and spread these out kind of evenly so everything dehydrates well. Once you're done, again, go ahead and put them in the oven at 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Now again, we're not about wasting, so we're going to go ahead and use those garlic peels as well. Make sure you wash them and make sure there's no mold. And then we're going to slice up our garlic. Again, we want these nice and thin because we want them to dehydrate very well and we want them to dehydrate thoroughly. Once you have that all chopped up, you're going to go ahead and line a baking dish or cookie sheet with parchment paper, and you're going to go ahead and put your garlic on that tray. Again, we're going to be baking in the oven at 250 degrees Fahrenheit. This usually takes between 2 to 4 hours. They're going to come out nice and crispy and crunchy like this. Once you have that done, you're going to go ahead and put your onions into a blender. I'm just using my NutriBullet. And then we're going to pop the lid on and go ahead and blend these up. This usually takes about 30 seconds. You want it nice and powdery. So once they're well blended, they're going to be really nice and powdery. And oh, the smell of this purple onion powder is divine. It'll look something like this, nice and powdery. This purple onion has such a beautiful, fragrant, sweet smell to it. And think about all of the money that you could save getting a higher quality product, more flavorful, better smelling, and just nice to have around the house. You can make so much of this on your own, just in your spare time. You won't ever need to buy this at the store again. We're going to be doing the same thing with our garlic. So we have our dehydrated garlic and garlic peels. We're going to go ahead and put that into our blender. Mix again for about 30 seconds. And just like that, you have your beautiful fragrant garlic powder. And now it's ready to be jarred. So we're just going to put this in a jar and save it for when we're ready. We have plenty of garlic and onion powder now. And just like that, we're done. You can see I use, this is kind of pink, this is purple onion. You can use whatever onion you want. Yellow, white, purple, they all have different flavors. And then my garlic powder. And I just made enough to last me for a little while. It's super easy to make. It's way better than store-bought. I hope you try it out. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you tried it, what you thought about it, what you would tweak. I'm always open for new ideas. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you like this video. Stay tuned for more. Thank you for helping me grow my channel. It really means a lot. Until next time, happy cooking. Bye.